Good day all. My name is Kesia Nazirigbe. I'm a participant of MMM Nigeria. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be talking about MMM ideology. Today I'll be giving presentation on the following details: ideology of MMM, how MMM works, where we look at the mechanics behind MMM rules, benefits of MMM, we look at the bonuses and other benefits, and the goals of MMM. Ideologies. MMM is a global financial community where members help each other through donations. The meaning of MMM is simply Mavrodi Mondale movement, which was founded by a man named Sergei Mavrodi. The sole aim of MMM is to destroy the unfair financial system of the world. You realize today that we live in a very unjust financial world where the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer. People work hard every day to get money, but it is never enough. And sometimes we try to save our monies in the bank, but you realize that you get very little interest, or you might be asked to pay them after saving with them. These financial institutions have taken advantage of our naivety and have blinded our eyes with written documents and policies under the name guarantees. We have come to realize that there are no guarantees. These are just lies. MMM have opened our eyes to the robbery, the financial robbery by the banks and other financial institutions, and time has come for us to stand up for ourselves and decide our financial status. So MMM is giving this opportunity to everybody. So what is MMM all about? MMM is a global mutual aid. MMM is a financial social network. MMM is a community where members help each other through donations. MMM is not a hype, nor business or an investment. How does it work? And the first thing is to register on MMM website. When you do this, you become a member of MMM, and this gives you an opportunity to provide help and get help in return. Donations are made directly to other participants. When you provide help, you can also get help in return. Donations can also be made in local currency, Naira. Benefits of MMM. MMM gives you registration bonuses, $20, $50, $100, respectively, based on the amount you donated at registration points. MMM also gives us 30% reward for the donations we made after 30 days. MMM also offers a referral bonus of 10%. So you get 10% of whatever your referral donates. MMM also gives guided bonuses 5%, 3%, 2%, 1%, down to 0.0% for your downlines. MMM also gives us reward for letter of happiness, 3% and 5% if the participant's face shows in the video of letter of happiness. What are MMM rules? One of the rules is that participants should only donate with spare money. MMM gives no guarantee nor promises. Participants are to provide help out of free will. You are not forced to provide help. Provide help when you want to. Participants must be ready to provide help when they are called upon, or they will be blocked. Participants must not upload a fake proof of payment. It is not allowed in MMM. What are the goals of MMM? One of the goals of MMM is to bring an end to financial unjust system, and also to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Another goal of MMM is to break people out of financial slavery. MMM also helps us and trains us to be honest, trustworthy, and diligent leaders. In MMM, you need to be honest, trustworthy, and diligent. MMM is also working towards making the world a better place for all. I urge every one of us to join this wonderful community. It is changing lives. It is improving lives. It is breaking people from financial slavery. It is giving us financial freedom. You should give it a try. All you need to do is call the number on your screen, and you can also chat with me on WhatsApp with the number on your screen. There to assist and you know give us guidance on how to go about this. This community is wonderful.